Good afternoon, this is Jason Scott with an update on your national and regional forecast on this February the 14th, 2011. Taking a look at the south, it looks like rain and thunderstorms will track eastward from the eastern counties of Oklahoma and Texas into Tennessee and Alabama on Wednesday. Behind a cold front, winds will turn gusty across the southern plains. Rainfall amounts of top 1 inch in parts of eastern Texas, southern Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. A few hail-producing thunderstorms are possible of the early part of the day across the eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas. Some severe thunderstorms will develop from eastern Texas to western Alabama as the day progresses. A few damaging wind gusts, hail, and tornadoes may be reported in these areas. Lows will range from the 30s over the north to the 50s and 60s near the Gulf Coast. With temperatures near average to 15 degrees above average, highs will range from the 50s and low 60s over the north, 70s and low 80s closer to the Gulf Coast. Showers and a few strong thunderstorms will swing through the southeast on Thursday. Taking a look at the Midwest, it looks like rains will spread eastward through Kansas and into Indiana and western Kentucky on Wednesday. Rainfall amounts 1 inch in parts of Missouri and Illinois. A few hail-producing thunderstorms are possible early in the day across southeast Kansas and southwest Missouri. Light rain, light snow, and light wintry mix should not be much of a problem of the western part of Kansas and Nebraska to Iowa. The breezy conditions will pick up behind an eastbound storm across parts of the plains. Lows will range from the teens and low 20s over the north to the 30s in the eastern part of Kansas and Kentucky, with temperatures below average in the western part of Kansas but near average to 16 degrees above average across the majority of the region. Highs will peak in the 30s and 40s with some 50s from southeast Kansas to Kentucky. Over the west, its showers and mountain snows will be on the increase across southern California, the Sierra Nevada, and northwest Arizona as the storm plunges southward toward the Mexico border on Wednesday. Southwest snowfall amounts may reach 6 inches over parts of this area, with levels dropping to as low as 3,500 feet. A few snow showers will linger across the southeast Oregon and the Rocky Mountains. Strong gusty winds are likely across parts of California, Nevada, and western Arizona. Lows will range from between the single digits to the 20s in the Rockies to the 30s and 40s near the west coast and across the deserts. The temperatures will be above average over the northeast Montana, but near average to 15 degrees below average over the remainder of the region. Highs will range from the 20s and 30s in Wyoming to the 60s and 70s near the deserts. Showers will confine over the Pacific Northwest and the southernmost parts of California, Arizona on Thursday, with gusty winds across the southern part of California, southern Nevada, southwest Utah, Arizona, and Montana. Taking a look at the northeast, it looks like winds to be mostly dry over the region with a few snow flurries and sprinkles possible across upstate New York and